Hello boys and girls. Today we are going to learn about a special person named Antonio Delgado. Antonio was born in 1977 in Schenectady, New York. That is way upstate in New York State. He became famous because he was the first person with both African American and Latino heritage to be elected to Congress from upstate New York. That means he worked in the United States government to help make life better for people. Let us hear his amazing story together. Antonio grew up in a neighborhood called Hamilton Hill. His family did not have a lot of money, but they had big dreams. Antonio's parents worked hard every day. His father worked at General Electric as a factory worker. His mother worked in local schools helping kids learn. Antonio always saw how hard his parents worked, and it made him want to work hard too. In school, Antonio loved to read. He loved learning about history and how the world worked. He dreamed of making a difference one day. Even though it was not always easy, Antonio stayed focused on his dreams. His parents always told him that education was the key to success. Antonio worked hard and earned a scholarship to Colgate University. That is a very good college in New York. There he learned about philosophy and politics. That means he studied how people think and how governments work. He also played basketball for his college team. He was tall, smart, and very determined. After Colgate, Antonio wanted to keep learning. He went to Oxford University in England as a Rhodes Scholar. This is a very big honor given only to students who do very well in school. At Oxford, Antonio studied political theory, which means he studied different ways governments can help people. After Oxford, Antonio wanted to help people in the courts. He went to Harvard Law School. That is one of the most famous law schools in the world. There he learned how to become a lawyer. A lawyer is someone who helps people understand and follow the law. Antonio wanted to fight for fairness and justice. He always remembered where he came from and the people who worked hard like his parents. Antonio also had a love for music. After becoming a lawyer, he tried something different. He became a hip-hop artist for a short time. His songs talked about important things like justice, fairness, and helping people. He used music to share his thoughts and feelings with the world. Antonio believed that music was a way to teach people about important topics. Later, Antonio wanted to help even more people. He decided to run for Congress in 2018. Many people said it would be very hard. No one with African American and Latino heritage had ever won a seat in Congress from upstate New York. People in his area were different from him. Some people even said mean things about his music. But Antonio did not give up. He talked to many people. He listened to their problems. He promised to work hard for everyone no matter where they came from. He wanted to help with things like healthcare, education, and good jobs. People liked that he listened to them and cared about their lives. Antonio worked very hard and won the election. It was a big moment in history. He became the first person of African American and Latino heritage elected to Congress from upstate New York. His victory showed that no matter where you come from, you can achieve big dreams. It showed that people wanted someone who cared and worked hard for them. In Congress, Antonio fought for things that mattered to families. He worked to make healthcare affordable for everyone. He helped farmers get the tools they needed. He fought for better education so that every child could learn and grow. Antonio believed that people in rural towns and big cities should all be treated fairly. He worked on important committees like agriculture and small business. He listened to farmers, teachers, business owners, and parents. Antonio wanted to make sure all voices were heard in government. His time in Congress showed people that diversity is strength. Antonio did not stop there. In 2022, he became the Lieutenant Governor of New York State. This means he helped the governor run the state and took care of many important jobs. Antonio traveled across the state talking to people and solving problems. He wanted New York to be a place where everyone had a fair chance to succeed. Antonio Delgado's story teaches us to dream big. Even if people doubt, you keep working hard. Even if you come from a small town, you can make a big difference. Antonio believed in fairness, respect, and helping others. He showed the world that when you care about people and listen to them, you can do great things. Now, boys and girls, when you look at your dreams, remember the story of Antonio Delgado. You can become anything you want. If you like this video and would like to see more content like this, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share with others.